If you've ever launched a product on Etsy and waited for sales that never came, you're not alone. With millions of listings competing for attention, simply uploading great products is no longer enough. That's where Etsy ads come in. But the real question every seller asks is simple. Are Etsy ads actually worth it? The short answer is yes, but only if you use them strategically. In this video, we'll break down how Etsy ads work, when they make sense, when they don't, and how to use them in a way that actually drives profit instead of just burning through your budget. What are Etsy ads? Etsy ads are Etsy's internal advertising system that promotes your listings directly within the platform. When you run ads, your products appear in prominent spots such as search results and category pages. Labeled as ad, unlike external platforms like Google or Facebook, Etsy ads target people who are already on Etsy and actively searching for products. That means the intent to buy is much higher. You don't need to worry about keywords or bidding manually. Etsy automatically chooses where and when to show your listings based on its algorithm. You simply set a daily budget and choose which listings to promote. The biggest advantage, buyer intent. The main reason Etsy ads can be powerful is buyer intent. Someone searching vintage travel poster or printable wall art on Etsy is already looking to buy. Compare that to social media traffic where users are scrolling casually. Etsy ads put your product directly in front of someone who is already in shopping mode. This is why Etsy ads often outperform other traffic sources in terms of conversion rate, especially for well-optimized listings. When Etsy ads are worth it. Etsy ads are not a magic fix. They work best in specific situations. First, when you have a strong listing. If your product photos are high quality, your title is clear, and your pricing is competitive, ads can amplify what's already working. Ads do not fix bad listings. They only bring more people to them. A strong listing should have clear, professional images, an SEO-friendly title and tags, a compelling description, competitive pricing, and positive reviews or strong perceived value. Second, when you are launching new products. New listings often struggle to get visibility because they don't yet have sales or reviews. Etsy ads can help jumpstart traction by driving initial traffic, helping you secure early sales, build reviews, and improve ranking organically. Third, when you already have sales data. If you already have listings that convert organically, those are prime candidates for ads. You are scaling something proven rather than guessing. When Etsy ads are not worth it. There are also situations where Etsy ads can waste money quickly. If your listing doesn't convert, ads will just bring more of the same result. If you are getting traffic but no sales, the issue is not visibility, it is conversion. If your margins are too low, ads can eat into your profits. Since Etsy ads charge per click, low-margin products can quickly become unprofitable. If you expect instant results, you will likely be disappointed. Etsy ads require testing and optimization over time. How Etsy ads actually work. Etsy uses several factors to determine which listings to show, including relevance to the search term, listing quality score, price competitiveness, and customer behavior. When you run ads, Etsy increases your exposure, but your listing still needs to perform well to convert that traffic into sales. How much should you spend? A common mistake is either spending too little or too much too quickly. A good starting point is between $3 and $10 per day. This allows you to gather useful data without taking on too much risk. Once you identify which products perform well, you can gradually increase your budget. How to make Etsy ads profitable. Running ads is easy. Making them profitable requires strategy. First, promote only your best listings. Focus on best sellers, high-converting products, and listings with strong visuals. Second, optimize your listings before spending money. Make sure your images, title, and value proposition are clear and compelling. Third, monitor your return on ad spend. Compare how much you are spending to how much revenue you are generating from ads. For example, if you spend $20 and generate $80 in revenue, that is a strong return. Fourth, turn off underperforming listings. If a listing gets clicks but no sales, it is costing you money. Fifth, use ads as a testing tool. Etsy ads can help you quickly identify which products and niches resonate with buyers. Etsy ads versus organic traffic. Many sellers wonder whether they should focus on ads or organic growth. The best approach is to use both. Organic traffic is free and builds over time, while Etsy ads provide immediate visibility and faster testing. Think of ads as a way to accelerate your organic growth rather than replace it. A realistic expectation. Etsy ads are not guaranteed to generate profit for every listing. Some products will perform well, while others will not. The key is to identify winning products and focus your budget on those. Are Etsy ads worth it for digital products? For sellers offering digital downloads such as planners, ebooks, or printable art, Etsy ads can be especially effective. Digital products typically have higher profit margins and no inventory costs, which makes it easier to absorb ad expenses while remaining profitable. Common mistakes to avoid. Many sellers make the same mistakes when using Etsy ads. These include advertising weak listings, ignoring product photos, failing to track results, letting ads run without adjustments, expecting instant success, and promoting too many listings at once. Avoiding these mistakes can significantly improve your results. Final verdict, are Etsy ads worth it? Yes, Etsy ads are worth it, but only if you treat them as a strategic tool rather than a shortcut. They work best when your listings are strong, your margins are healthy, and you actively monitor and optimize performance. They do not work well if you rely on them to fix poor listings or ignore your data. The bottom line, Etsy ads are not about spending money and hoping for results. They are about strategically increasing visibility for products that are already positioned to succeed. When used correctly, they can help you grow faster, validate product ideas, and generate consistent sales. When used incorrectly, they can drain your budget with little return. The difference comes down to strategy.